Have you been hearing about Frost Kingdom, the Genesis box, RDI, and progressive jackpot pool, but have no idea what they actually mean? You're not alone. In this video, I'll explain everything in simple language so you can understand how the campaign works before deciding whether to participate. We'll cover what Frost Kingdom is, how the Genesis box works, what RDI is, how the Launchpad works, and why everyone is talking about the progressive jackpot pool. Let's get started. What is Frost Kingdom? Frost Kingdom is a Web3 strategy game that combines traditional gaming with blockchain technology. Instead of just playing, players become part of a digital ecosystem where strategy, blockchain assets, and community participation come together. The project focuses on building a long-term gaming ecosystem, and the Genesis Box campaign is the first opportunity for early supporters to join. What is the Genesis Box? The Genesis Box is an early access package for people who want to join the Frost Kingdom ecosystem before its full launch. According to the official campaign, every Genesis box includes a guaranteed allocation of RDI, along with the possibility of additional campaign rewards based on official rules. You're not simply buying a mystery box. You're joining the project at its earliest stage. What is RDI? RDI is one of the main digital assets in the Frost Kingdom ecosystem. Every Genesis box includes a guaranteed amount of RDI, making it one of the first ways for participants to gain exposure to the project. Rather than thinking of RDI as just another crypto token, it's better to see it as an important part of the game's future economy. How does the Launchpad work? The Launchpad is the official platform for the Genesis Box campaign. The process is simple. Visit the official Launchpad, connect your supported crypto wallet, read the campaign details carefully, choose how many Genesis boxes you want, confirm a transaction. Always double-check you're using the official website before approving any blockchain transaction to avoid scam websites. What is a progressive jackpot pool? One of the most exciting parts of the campaign is the progressive jackpot pool. Eligible participants may also become part of this jackpot according to the official campaign rules. As more people join the campaign, the jackpot can grow, creating even more excitement for the community. However, jackpot rewards are not guaranteed, and eligibility depends entirely on the official campaign terms. Should you participate? If you're interested in exploring new Web3 games and joining a blockchain gaming ecosystem early, this campaign may be worth researching. But remember, every crypto project carries risk. Markets change, development plans can change, and nothing is guaranteed. Always do your own research, read the official documentation, and only participate if it matches your personal goals and risk tolerance. To sum it up, the Genesis box gives early supporters access to the Frost Kingdom ecosystem. Every box includes a guaranteed RDI allocation. The Launchpad is the official place to participate. The progressive jackpot pool adds extra excitement for eligible participants. Understanding the project's ecosystem and tokenomics helps you make informed decisions. Knowledge is always more valuable than hype. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Web3 gaming and blockchain updates. What do you think about the Frost Kingdom Genesis box? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video.